Hello guys, how are you? Here's your boy DJ Angel Productions. Today I do have a tutorial to show you how I made a remake of one of the beat of like Tembo. Like Tembo is one of the best singer who lives in Zimbabwe, and I decided to make the remake of his beat. So let us hear how it sounds, and then we will enter the melodies to see how the melody is. After the melodies, we will also see the rhythms. So without talking too much, let us hear how the beat sounds. Okay, this was the tutorial. Then let us hear the rhythms. The rhythms are very simple. They are not complex. He would have a kick. He would have a hi hat, as you can see here. After the rhythms, I had to draw this melody here. Let us hear how they sound. This is the first melody of the beat which he did. After this melody, I had to draw another melody since they play these types of beat alive. So I'm playing with the computer. I'm supposed to play as if I were a band. I'm here alone with a mouse. We are playing this type of beat with the computational softwares. This is a Reason 5. So I'm supposed to play like I'm playing alive. After that, I had to play the final melody here. The final melody is here. I use the finger bass preset and the plugins called NTRUMENTAL. As you can see, it is written here. After that melody which I showed you, I had to draw this melody here. This is a remake, guys. I am not the owner of this beat. I didn't make the creative, the ideas. This is a remake of Lucky Tembo. So we are trying to get the experience from their beat. So after that, there's another melody here. Let us hear how they sound. After that melody which I showed you, I had to draw this one. After this melody, I had to play the bass. Let us pay much more attention for this bass because there's a pitch here. So guys, this was the tutorial for today's video. Since it is a remake, I don't have something else to talk about it. It is very good. So let us play the entire tutorial to hear how the melody sounds, how everything which we were singing here sounds. So guys, as you can see, the first melody I used the finger bass, and I used the bass guitar for the second melody, which is a bass. I also used the jazz hall for the third melody and the straight term for the final melody. So for you to access this program, it is very easy. For example, if you come here where it's black, if you click with the left button of your mouse, it will display information like this. Here we have Subtractor, Tor, Metronome, and Zanov. We have a lot of plugins here which you can use for free. Nothing to worry about downloading. And this part is for you to select only your melody, your plugins. And this part is only for you to draw your melody. So thank you very much for watching. Subscribe and share these tips and ideas for your friends, and invite them also to be the partner and the friend of this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.